Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to find and use emoji in Windows 11 laptop. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Windows laptop. After you open up your Windows laptop, then from your keypad, what you need to do is to press down Window key plus colon. Having pressed Window key plus colon, this is going to pump up. Now from here, you can simply drag your emoji from one side. You can scroll down and see different emojis right here. So for instance, I'm going to use this and it's going to appear on my window. I'm going to use this, it's going to appear on my window. So what you need to do is to simply press this particular window key and plus this semicolon right here on your keyboard. And this is going to pump up. Then from there, you can select as many as possible emoji you would like to select. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply find and how best you can use emoji on your Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.